yourself that I can do this. You don't think of impossibilities, but you think of making something happen. So that's the most exciting part.
It also has helped us see that there's nothing hidden. Everything should be open. That's how science is supposed to be.
It's something that doesn't happen a day. It requires a lot of patience, persistence. And I mean, you're always trying out new things, so you're not sure whether it's going to work the way you want it or it's going to work totally different ways. So I think it's a lot of persistence, patience, and having an open mind as well. That it can work or it might not work, and maybe I might need to make new adjustments to it. So yeah. So we're looking forward to using it in electrophysiology studies, and that could be in poking insect antennas or poking insect brains. Mostly that, but it's got other applications as well, like for the puller that we're trying to make. You can use the electrodes for almost anything that you want to study in electrophysiology. So that will be a plus. It's not just for the electroantennogram that we want to do, but in case someone is interested in something to study extracellular mechanisms or intracellular mechanisms, that would be very helpful as well. Don't be afraid. You can do it. But it's a journey that you have to prepare yourself to go into and have an open mind to learn from other people and accept criticisms not as something to bring you down, but something where you can learn from. So that's what I would tell them.